Hello Tech Explorers! Today I'll be showing you how we program the LEDs on the maker board to create an effect that looks like a ping pong ball bouncing back and forth. First, let's add a my program block to initialize our program. Then, we'll add blocks to set up all the LEDs connected to the pins of our maker board and configure them as outputs since LEDs are output devices. Next, add an infinite loop block to continuously display the ping pong ball-like animation. Now, we'll configure which LEDs will turn on and which will remain off. We start with LEDs on P0 and P1, where only P0 will turn on. Then, for P1 and P0, only P1 will turn on. After that, P2 and P1, with only P2 turning on. Next, P2 and P3, with only P3 turning on. Following that, P3 and P2, with only P2 turning on. And finally, P2 and P1, with only P1 turning on. Each set will be displayed for 0.2 seconds. Our program is now complete. It's now time to try it on our maker board.